Hello everyone. So today we are solving LeetCode 26 number problem, which is remove duplicates from and sorted array. To solve this problem, I already write the solution code, and after explain the code, I also see you the diagram part how code actually works. So first write an condition if the length of numbers list is equal to 0, means there is no element, then return 0. After declare a variable k initialized with 0. Then create a for range loop for I in range start from 1 and end is the length of the list. Inside the loop, I write a condition if nums of I not equal to nums of k. That means the nums of I, the current element, and the kth index of nums list is not same, then increase the k by 1. In the kth index of numbers list, replace the value by the current element. Okay, and after loop, simply return k plus 1. So now see the diagram part. So this is the code and this is the diagram. We have these two examples at this time. To explain the diagram process, we use this example. Now k start from 0 and I start from 1. So first I is equal to 1. Nums of 1 means 0. K start from 0, which I declared at first. So nums of k means 0. The nums of I and nums of k is same or duplicate. Okay, so that's why there is no changes. Only changes made when nums of I and nums of k is different. Okay, now I goes to 2. Nums of 2 means 1 and k does not change previously, so k remains 0. Now at this point, nums of I and nums of k, this is different, that's why k increase by 1. And see, there are 1 changes made. Previously index 1 we have 0, but at this time we have 1. Why? Because of this line. So nums of k means 1 because k increased by 1 here. So nums of k means this place. Okay, and nums of I means 1. So this value replaced by 1 and see. Then I goes to 3 and k is equal to 1. So this is duplicate. Okay, then again I goes to 4. 4 means this 1. So 1 and nums of k also duplicate. That's why there is no changes made. Then I goes to 5. Nums of I means this. K is equal to 1 means this. So 2 and 1, which is different. That's why k increased by 1. So k at this time k placed here, and our current element, that's mean I placed here. So 1 replaced by 2. See, 1 replaced by 2. Okay, and then I goes to 6. Nums of I and nums of k is duplicate. That's why there is no changes made. Then I goes to 7. At this time nums I means 3 and nums of k means this, but this is different. That's why k increased by 1. So k placed here and nums of I placed here. So 1 replaced by 3 and that is the replace. Again I increase, I goes to 8. Nums of I means 3, this, and k means this. Okay, which is duplicate. That's why there is no change. And the last position I goes to 9, which is this value, and k means 3. So this is different. 4 and 3 is different. That's why k increased by 1 and 1 replaced by 4. At the end we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and we simply return k plus 1. So when we return k plus 1, that's mean 5, the code automatically checks the first 5 elements of the nums list. Now I run the code and submit.